So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this on the left hand side, you're going to click on privacy and security. And now you're going to scroll down till you find microphone. You're going to click on that. And now you're going to scroll down again. Make sure you have microphone access enabled. And now you're going to scroll down. If you see Microsoft Teams right here, you're going to make sure you have it turned on. Imagine that this is Microsoft Teams. Make sure you have it turned on. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in sound settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on more sound settings. And now you're going to find your Bluetooth speakers. You're going to make sure it's on a default device. So you're going to click on it and then click on set default, which will then make it a default device. And then click on recording. If you're using a Bluetooth microphone, do the same thing. Click on it, click on set default. The green tick will appear, which will then make it a default device. And then click on OK. You want to make sure that on the Microsoft Teams application, you have your microphone selected as a default device and as a device that you actually want to use. And then once you complete all these steps, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.